Hi guys, welcome to Mavy Crochet. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet mini sunflower. Let's crochet together. These are the required materials. Let's make flower core by using brown and green yarns. We will use 3mm crochet hook. Now we will use brown yarn. Let's make a magic ring. Twist the yarn like this. Insert the hook, pull the yarn and pull through the yarn like this. We will get a magic ring. After that, make 6 single crochet into the magic ring. This will be row 1. Please don't forget to mark with a stitch marker. After making 6 single crochet, pull the yarn to close the hole and remove the stitch marker. Let's make row 2. For row 2, make 6 increase. Increase means 2 single crochet into the same stitch. You will get a total of 12 single crochet for row 2. For row 3, make 1 increase and 1 single crochet. I repeated this pattern 6 times. You will get row 3. After that, remove the stitch marker and make a slip stitch into the first stitch. Then cut the yarn and pull through the yarn. By using green yarn, let's make another one. You will get like this. To make a leaf, we will use floral wire. By using green yarn, make a slip knot. Twist the yarn like this. Insert the hook and pull through the yarn. We will get a slip knot. And then make 8 chains. After that, insert the wire into the last chain. Starting from 4th chain from the hook, let's make 3 double crochet into the same stitch. Please don't forget to mark with a stitch marker. After that, make 2 double crochet into the next 2 stitches. And then let's make 1 half double crochet. Now let's make 1 single crochet into the last stitch. We have to bend the wire. After that, make 2 chains and make a slip stitch into the second chain from the hook. On the other side, let's make 1 single crochet into the last stitch. And then make 1 half double crochet. After that, make 2 double crochet and 3 double crochet into the same stitch. And then remove the stitch marker and make a slip stitch into the first double crochet. After that, make 1 chain behind the wire like this, and then cut the yarn and pull through the yarn. Let's swap around the wire with the yarn. Insert the yarn into the 2 wire like this and twist the 2 wire. And then cut the yarn. We will cut like this. Let's make another one. By using yellow yarn, let's make petals. Firstly, make a slip knot. And then insert the hook like this. After that, insert the hook into the slip knot like this and pull through the slip knot. Then make 1 chain. After that, make 1 single crochet into that stitch. Please don't forget to mark with a stitch marker. And then make 1 chain. Let's make 2 double crochet into the same stitch. 1 double crochet, make 1 chain, and then make 1 slip stitch into the 2 loops of 2 double crochet and 1 double crochet, and then make 1 chain. By repeating this pattern, we will get 9 petals. Glue the stem like this. Let's start with fiber fill. Now, let's continue the work. Let's remove the stitch marker and make a slip stitch. And then cut the yarn and pull through the yarn. We will cut like this. By using yarn needle, fasten off the yarn. remember that 2 leaves and the stem, we will use green yarn. After that, put some glue onto the stem and then glue the yarn to the stem. After that, apply the glue like this and wrap the yarn around the stem. Now we got mini sunflower. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel. See you next time.